Yo, kick it like a ball, you see me? Remember, yo, Sheraton Food Restaurant, better taste, you see me? London Road, Taboo, you see me? Downstairs. Modest thing in a crying right now.
Preparing jerk chicken, and this is the way you prepare the jerk chicken. And you have to make sure you have a red knife and a red board when you're doing raw meat. And you cut the skin off like that, and the little nut, cut it like that, and you take out the little red stuff. Make sure you clean it off properly, you know. And when you clean it up properly, you wash your chicken with lime or vinegar, because in that way you will be able to take off the slime more better. So I'm just taking off a little of the fat, because it's the jerk chicken. And you look for the feather, clean up the feather off of the nook, and you just continue to do it like that. And I have to say, big up Chef Ricardo. He's a wonderful chef, nice to reason with. Anything in cooking, just call Chef Ricardo or Sharon. So I'm cleaning up all the feather. Yeah, you have to leave a little fat, because you want the fat to give the jerk chicken on the drum a little flavor. I'm cutting off the next piece of fat again. Take out the little red stuff. And the feather. Because nobody likes to see feather on meat when they're eating it. To fine feather leaf, normally when you put it on the drum, the jerk drum, it will finish burn off the little hairs. But take off as much as you can. I have a nice jerk leg for jerk chicken.
Let's go ahead, it's fine.
Okay, our project for 2015, look out for Better Taste Caribbean Cuisine, and everybody should be, well, I know, should know Sharon Bless. That's my name. We are one of the best Caribbean cooking area, and we're gonna have a lot of stuff going on, because we're gonna cater for like funeral, wedding, christening, parties, and all these stuff. When I'm finished cleaning up the chicken, then I rinse it in the vinegar and the lime water, and I rinse it 2 times. Drain it like that, because I have to go and start with the seasoning of the jerk chicken. So draining the chicken clean and pretty. the Bami Festival roast bread. So I'm gonna season them up. 2 minutes time. Then we'll show you the seasoning. With the you can't carry the money with you. I'm ready to prepare the seasoning on the jerk chicken. And this is spring onion. I don't beat it. I rather use the scissors and cut it. A kitchen scissors. And I just cut it small. Cut it up. Because when you beat it, sometimes it can burn your eye also. Scotch garlic pepper. Cut it up. Some green fresh thyme. When you're doing the Jamaican jerk chicken, you have to put a green thyme and you put some dry thyme with it, so that's the way you get a nice flavor. So, and the ground, instead of beat up the pimento, you better get the ground pimento powder and you just sprinkle it all over on the jerk chicken like that. And then this one is the secret spice. I'm not gonna say, but you know, this is the secret spice. And just spread that over it. It will marinate the thing. And this is the ginger garlic. Just put a little ginger garlic. Have a nice flavor. Then this one, we call it the Jamaican sun jerk seasoning. It's having all the ingredients in it. You just put that on it and then just marinate it in. Just take your time and you just marinate it. Make sure you have on a gloves because the seasoning is strong and you may use it on a rub it. I am burn you. So just rub it in slowly. So you just rub it in. Take your time, rub it in. If you want to jerk this now, you just eat like half an hour or an hour and you're ready to go. Once you put on the right season, the right ingredients, then I'm going to put a little jerk seasoning powder. The jerk seasoning powder. But first, always put on the fresh seasoning. That one can marinate in the meat before you put a seasoning. That is the trick. Put on the jerk seasoning. This one is very nice. Eat chicken, a nice flavor and a color, nice color. Look. That. And some chicken seasoning. As jerk chicken you're doing, so you need to put on chicken seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. This is all-purpose seasoning. Stir it up into all-purpose seasoning. But you can't put too much because this seasoning they make it salt, so you have to make sure you know what you're doing. And that's it. Then I just use my hand and come again and rub it in, massage it in, like you made it in a dumpling paste. And tell me how this look now. It look very nice. Yeah, very nice. Jerk chicken. Real Jamaican jerk chicken.
Yeah. Hey man, say, yo, kick it like a body, isn't